our Sainatha Reddy. He is a Microsoft Fabric data engineer and currently working as a data engineer in one of the MNC. So Sai, I welcome you. Now the floor is yours.
Yeah, thanks, Subhana Babu. Hi, everyone. Hello, good morning. And Subhana Babu, let me know once I'm sharing my screen.
Sure.
Yeah, is it visible my screen?
No,
Not
no.
yet, Srinivas, Sainath. Yeah, now
Now?
it's coming. Yeah, now it's coming.
Yeah, sorry for the delay. Further ado, let's go start with our AI-900 real-time World 2 Azure and Fabric related. And welcome to everyone. I'm really happy to be here today, our Global Power Platform Agent Bootcamp. And thanks to Santosh to start our sessions, really kickstart for this one. And further do, I want to thanks organizer and volunteers, community leaders, and Suparna Babu for this opportunity. So and this is about myself. I have overall 8 years of experience in a data and analytics, and I work with data engineering and business intelligence, Azure and AI tools. And I love to simplify complex tech solution for everyone. And I'm a AI enthusiast who enjoy teaching, sharing knowledge, and help to others grow their careers. And I have completed my certifications like A900 and DP700, PL300, and you can see that one. And I just want to start our session with a simple story. Like everyone know current market, and there lot of news about AI and what will become our career, and can I really lose my job or like that. So I can say simply, don't fear about AI and learn it and enhance and adapt. And simple one. And can anyone yesterday watch that Narendra Modi speech in AI India Summit? Like if you didn't, please go and watch that one. There are line of AI leaders and come up to India, and they have great session. In the live session I observed something like there is a AI tool used a mono language. You know mono language, right? If a person speaking in front of stage, the screen will show you automatically a mono sign that is built by Indians and using AI. That's a creative story and how AI is reshaping. And let's start with a small story, and I just want to tell you like AI 900 a certificate. I don't say this will give you a job, but it is give you a enhancement of fundamentals of AI. What is AI fundamentals like Azure services? So will and a small question, like anyone using a snapshot and Instagram, like if you use a snapchat or Instagram, do you know how Instagram or snapshots are working? If you click on any reel, it is a like button, or else if you save any reels or you post it, the algorithm like it will automatically generate you or suggest you some of reels, right? So and go and check after this session how Instagram is working behind the AI. So there is a concept of like a two tunnel, two tower retrieval and casting director. So in simple words, Instagram use ML algorithms to store data. And I mean, if you see, I mean, like you worried sometimes why I'm seeing this. So the feed is automatically stored when you click and share and your friends response to. So is this all behind to this tool? Technically AI involve all this. So let's go. And thanks to Santosh. And one more further do, I have this great privilege to start a career with, I mean, yeah, Ajay Babu and Rajendra next upcoming session. Please do watch those sessions also. And two more excitement sessions also line up. I encourage to all of you stay back and attend those sessions as well. And I just want to start our agenda. So it's a simple cover up, like what is the AI 900 and what it is cover and why it is matter, and simple AI Azure fundamentals and real world apps. We have live demos. If time permit, I will show you GitHub and Copilot also how it is integrated. And let's start with our journey. Just I want to show you that screen which is available. So before we missed it up, I just want to cover up what is Microsoft AI fundamentals and a glance. It's a beginner level certification provided by Azure. You don't need to complete this one. You can try Google or AWS, any AI certification which will stand out you from the crowd. If you went a interview or a fresher or a student or working professional, so starting career with any cloud base, it will kickstart your career and you know how to tackle the latest upcoming technologies. And this is the overview of a website. So you can see this prepare and course. You just click on here, it will take you what is this course related. So overview and syllabus, and this is the sandbox where you can find out that experience of exam how it will be look like, and a simple 45 minutes of questions, and you can just click it here. Yeah, so around this amount you can click on schedule this exam, and if you feel free to follow the NDAC community and Microsoft community, you will get some bootcamp related vouchers. Sometimes AI related bootcamps, you will get some vouchers. You can apply those voucher while scheduling. The amount will be reduced. Don't need to spend all this amount. You get some. Even students have also have some vouchers. So let's dive into our first one. What is AI? Can anyone tell like what is AI? AI is nothing but like a simple mission solving problems intelligently. And there are different types of AIs like general AI, AGI. So importance of AI in the future is a vital. So you cannot tell I don't learn AI. It is a difficult and complex. No, it is not. Not at all. Even I saw yesterday that AI summit, 8 years old kid, a keynote speaker, telling about AI, and he met the top global level CEOs, Sundar Pichai, OpenAI CEO. You know that 8 years kid can do that. Why can't we do it, right? So we are working professional, we are graduates. So it's not a big rocket science. AI is everywhere. We are already using AI, but we don't know the technical terms. Might be little bit like. So what is Gen AI, agentic AI, like the flows? But don't worry. I hope today you might be get some familiarity with, and I recommend to you go and watch different contents available and practice yourself and give it try. And we already using like I just start with what is AI means a simple word. If you open your phone, it's automatically unlock if you have face unlock system, right? So that is nothing but a AI. So you have already feed your photo or capture your face, then automatically it will turn, right? And one more example is a Instagram Reels and Netflix, YouTube, all these recommendation store all behind its ML, and Google Maps. When you are stuck in a Hyderabad traffic or Bangalore traffic, you don't know when it is a the AI prompt will suggest you a different path and different routes. So it's all behind the AI. We daily using the same things. So, and then we have different types of AI, like ANI, nothing but a weak AI, and one more is a strong AI, AGI. That is not it currently, but we are in the upcoming future. We might be see AGI will become a human level intelligent. And one more, I think I saw. Anyone saw that Robo movie, Rajnikant? There is a character Chitty. So
Yes.
Chitti Robot,
Yes,
yes, yeah, I love
yes.
that movie. Even I saw that movie once again yesterday while I'm seeing this all AI-900 related certificate or AI-900. I'm correlated to that movie, things like that. Then you can understand it's very easy. There is no subject at rocket science, so you can correlate those things and just introduce our Chitti also. One robot click do number of things. That is kind of AGI level. Currently, we are using ChatGPT, LLM models are nothing but come under weak AI. So generative AI is that AI can understand a things, prompts like generated text, and it is create a new content or what are the prompts you give, and AGI nothing but our Chitti Robo upcoming future. We don't know, might be it come very soon, and it does not exist today but in the future. And Elon Musk related, they are already started robotics to do some manual works. And ChatGPT also kind of a GitHub Copilot also coming up in the future. And yeah, if you see, this is the whole picture behind this AI, how it is look like. So if you think this is a big umbrella, or else this is a universe. So in this universe, there are layers, artificial intelligence on top of it. But if you think the inside, we have ML. ML is nothing but a machine learning. It helps to computers to learn from examples. So machine learning, nothing but it help you learn from examples. Like if you give any data set, I will show you that demo. So once you give the data set based on that history and data, it will learn the predict the upcoming patterns. And deep learning also, it's like a on top of ML, it will retrieve complicated things like images and sounds. It will generate a new content. And Gen AI also same, like a artificial intelligent have more think like a human robot. So then LLM is nothing but a large language models. So currently we are see that ChatGPT, right? Can anyone tell me about what is ChatGPT LLM, the latest model? Everyone mentioned ChatGPT,
5.1
ChatGPT. Yes, correct. Somehow 5.2 also they
5.1.
have released. Yeah, it's correct.
5.0.
So
5.0.
GPT is a nothing but a model LLM name. So OpenAI using GPT 5.1, 5.2, and latest they have also introduced GPT Codex. So Codex is nothing but a software developer, and same as Anthropic also released Claude Opus Coworker plugins. So all those come under on top of after LLM. So I don't want to confuse and go complicate things, but basic level it is fine. After LLM, what are you currently hearing the news, right? Related to coworker, plugin, codex is all nothing but do the manual tasks of a software developer. It will create a content, it will create a image, it will create a video. I mean, Sonnet. If you see this, ChatGPT also recently released some ads campaign. When I watching that India-Pakistan match, I saw some ads related to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT also come into commercialization. They have started ads, start their product. So that's why everyone know. I mean, it start with I mean around November 22, right? So ChatGPT is launched, and we know that is a small kind of chatbot. So now their things are got better and they have improved a lot, and there is a competition from Anthropic. So they are doing well, and will they release soon? We no need to fear about those things, but just enhance your skills and do some daily works related, understand the AI related concepts. Sorry. And simply say AI is a smart task, and ML is a learn from patterns, and DL nothing but a deep learning, a complex patterns from images and audio. And LLMs are like a ChatGPT and Copilot and Anthropic related. So let's do next slide. So this is all about AI 900 certification related. Describe like what are the things in covered in the certification. There are 5 sections. Each section will divide into like AI workloads and consideration. It will give 15 to 20% of weightage, and they will get some around. It is not a fixed questions, but you will get weightage of 15 to 20% of questions from this first chapter, like workload related. And second one is related to the fundamental and principles of machine learning. So this is also around 15 to 20%. So then computer vision, and then follow NLP, natural language processing, and the last but not is Gen AI workload related. So this is a just a basic start of a percentage. I can say simply, you can complete this certification in 7 days. If you focus on daily to complete these, even I saw you show you that like Microsoft Learn page, right? So in that Learn page, we have all these chapter related information and YouTube content also available. Just go and watch and try to practice the live sessions, and you can achieve this certification in 7 days. Might be someone will take 30 days, but students are who are aspirant to do, I recommend to go with this Microsoft Learn page and complete this certification. It will really give a nice and stand out from the crowd, guys. Really, it is not a big thing. The students who are going to give this exam, I think someone are mute. Suparna Babu, can you unmute all? Like, can you please mute yourself? Hello. Yeah, I mean, like exam day, you can just practice. We have some practice sessions in Microsoft Learn. Just do one kind of practices assessments, and once you get 80 to 90% in the practice session, you can go and apply for exam. And there are sandbox also available. Just try to spend 10 to 15, 30 minutes every day. Then you are habituated to this exam pattern who are trying to achieve the first time. So better to complete this practice assessment. It is a free of cost. So once you are able to score 700 or like 80 90% of score in the practice assessment, then go for a real exam, guys. Before that, I strongly recommend you to try to understand the concepts behind this AI. Then the first weightage comes under this 15 to 80% of common AI workloads. It is come under a machine learning and computer vision, natural language processing, document intelligence, knowledge mining, and Gen AI. So in a simple word, so like we have a hero, Chitty, right? So what are the jobs do we give a Chitty? So the robo in movie, you can correlate that it can see, it can speak, and it can read, and it can scan within a second. You can see that movie clip like a telephone booth, a bunch of even thousands of page, the book they will scan, right? Like this Chitty robot, yo, like it will scan and it will create on top of anything. So like simple words, a workloads, it can see, it can speak and read, and it can scan, it create a new content. So these are top things you can remember. And let's go to our next one, machine learning related. And before that, we have one more one, AI principles. So like from exam point of view and fair enable related. So these are the fairness. It cannot be like a bias cannot affect. A simple example, if you apply any loan, it cannot I mean reject based on bias of gender. Like I can give loan for only working employees, I cannot give students, like that, correlated to that example. So it will fair to treat everyone fairly. That is the first example to AI, and this AI responsible principle set by the Microsoft. for they have developed number of AI models, right? Those are included these 6 principles. And reliability and safety, like if you see that coming to our Chitty Robo, they have trained these all like reliability and safety. It will take care of hero things like safety things. And privacy security, it don't capture your private details. Like if you give any AI model, it will store your data, but don't expose your personal details. Like that is the main principle behind this AI, like privacy and security. And inclusiveness, like a language and accessibility, it serves to all. It's no bias to the person behind this, only top people are rich person to give prompts like response to a good thing, and low people, that is not a category to AI. It serve to everyone. And transparency, it's explain the limits, a simple data source, like how it is concluded. The if you go on ChatGPT, you can ask a write a Python code to give some of join the two tables. Like so if you open, it will automatically give the code. But if a non-technical guy and went to ask a ChatGPT, I have these Excel files like 5 to 10. This I want to combine this Excel file into one file. It will give you some like steps to how can you do like so. But behind this, there is a code generated by ChatGPT. So that is the code. Based on that code, you can open that ChatGPT. So there is a code responsible how it is concluded. You can check if you are a student when you are doing this any chart prompts. I will suggest you go and check how it is concluded that conclusion. Like if you are Python aspirant, if you are a developer, Java aspirant, like just go and check how it is concluded step by step. It will be hundreds of lines, but at least try to simple. Tell me about yourself, like whatever you write, it will call APIs, it will call like some random Wikipedia stuff. So you know that every line to by line the code behind this is like a transparency and accountability. This accountability is nothing but who humans are responsible for AI. So humans who we develop all these AI models, we are the responsible for and accountability. And it will simple terms, it's logs audits. What are the generative, it is given the output, right? So based on that accountability. And yesterday summit, I listened literally that a familiar quote like I stuck up my mind like a Savagin AI. Like if you see ChatGPT, Anthropic, is all come from the US base. I'm not judging anything, just a AI from the top tech companies and top tech peoples. So India become aspirant to develop AI things models. And end of the session, I will show you our India-based AI tool. Maybe mm, last 1 week the buzz is AI, right? Right now, maybe you had about that one. But another say, I will show you one AI India one also. It is very interesting, guys. You can check and watch. This is a simple model of ML, machine learning, how it is treated the patterns. So if you train your data based on the past observations, you give features like X is a feature here, X1, X2, X3, give a features and label it to Y. And then behind that algorithm, based on your training data, it will algorithms work behind this, and model will give the functions and interfacing this data. Then it will predict a outcome. So the machine learning is simple. It's a method where you compute learn patterns from data. So I give an input data so that make a prediction without being explicitly programmed. Like in our Chitti also, they train that our Chitti robot different patterns, and hero suggests their assistant to teach something, right? They will teach something else. So don't bother about, but it learn from the patterns how the things humans are doing like that. So that is AGI. So and our machine learnings also And can anyone use Instagram daily? Like, so I don't use Instagram, but yesterday I have installed Instagram to know what is the latest features. But I struck up with one ad. Like, if you see why I'm telling that penguin story, right? So this is a simple model. So can anyone tell me about viral Instagram net penguin story? It is let's go with that example. Like a machine learning, we have two types of served machine learning: supervised machine learning and unsupervised. A supervised is nothing but a training data. It include all the labels like if you see that regression, it's a numeric values. If you give that simple example, I have a company of ice creams. So I have everyday sales of ice creams. In a summer, you can accept high peak growth in the sales of ice creams, and if you see winter are very less. So I just want to try to find out when the that is everyone know common things like when the sales are high and when the loss. But I have a last 5 years 10 years of data, but I want to know when where exactly the sales are high. So based on that my data input, it will predict. So we will have one more example with the rental. So we'll go to that demo. And before to demo, I just explain this is the classifications. A binary classification, it will based on the labels. If you give a human based images, it's a not class. If you see, these are the all classifications and multi classifications. A group of things like a penguin group, they will classify as a one group. Our viral penguin will classify as another group. So like that. And unsupervised is a nothing but a uncluster training to enabled. Like there is a flower, you can see those two flowers are nothing but same. Who know that is a, rose or like some other flower. So you need to separate those plant into groups, and based on the common characteristics, so then you can cluster it. And then deep learning. So deep learning is nothing but a neural network. Same how humans we have a neural networks. So once you start anything, uh, so automatically same as artificial neural network also, like a neuron which have a function and input values. Based on that weights, it will automatically predict. And that laid of neural networks, it increasingly rich patterns. Based on the patterns only, it will develop the give the outcomes. So it's all behind the patterns. Like our Instagram feed, it will store number of likes you did and save and share to with your friends. So that human level will go to the next slide. So this is come our viral story. So if you see, this is the penguin story. Like if you right. So even I struck with like when I saw that penguin reels, everyone talking about. I just saw. See, if you imagine a researcher teams are doing that some research about penguins, why it is going to island and it is died. Like that is another story. But what I thinking like it is a, like a neural pattern, right? A best example of multi classifications of different penguins. See, if you see there is a function, and x values is like a x1 x2 is different sizes of penguin. So we just taken a like correlated with our viral penguin. There is a scientist are doing some research on this penguins. They find out some group of penguins are going to different kind, they behaving different. So group 1 team had taken x1 and group 2 have x2 x3. They find out some input values and they feed that neural network related models. So they want to find out the patterns and outcomes of that penguins. So our hero penguin, it whenever the scientists come back and added into that group, even they started went away. But they don't know why it is behaving like that. But based on that neural pattern network, if you see, they have some other dilution or illness. I don't want to interfere that, but if you take a group of penguins are going like I have mentioned, team 1 to 4, right? They have given some real outcome. So that input data have taken x2, x2, x3, x4, x4, and I give a function. It will treated that function as y1, y2. So based on that function, which is we are using, right? P of y equal to 0, then 1, 2. So based on this outcome, I found out at the output result. So group 1 have given y1 is a 0 0.2, 0 0.7, 0 0.1. Then I found out it, which is the highest relevant pattern of my outcome. So I just want to find out my pattern. Like you can understand that viral story, right? Why it is going to there only. So based on the inputs, I found out 0.7% of patterns is matching to similar group 1. So this is a line, right? So the group 1 is matching exactly the same pattern. And these are the Microsoft AI learning tools. Same behind the story. Azure Microsoft Learning is a cloud-based platform of a machine learning. Behind machine learning is store in Microsoft Azure cloud, use the interface access machine. Infrastructure will be built by the Azure. You don't need to configure everything. You can just go and plug in that Microsoft machine learning models. So, and same as Azure AI services also. So the suite of servicing like a vision, speech, language, decision making, generative AI, all this come under Azure AI service. And like Azure AI search, like a data extraction and enrichment. So it will intelligent search, knowledge mining, and can correlate it like we have a Teams updated with Microsoft Copilot integrated. You just go to the Teams and ask where is my XYZ file, where it is stored. It will automatically give that path of the file where it is. Like it is a behind of Azure AI search. And one more before that, just me stop here and show you that this is the AI Microsoft Learn apps. I will share you this link. This is a chart playground MI lab. I have already opened. So machine learning model, it is a simple CSV. I have already uploaded to the training. So I just want, like I have given example ice cream shop, right? Like I have a rental related data. So I have input data. So then click on, I have given Excel. So I just need to find out a rental amount of based on my input data. So in Excel file, I have rental related. This is the feature columns. My target is I need to find out rent amount. So if you see in Bengaluru, there are huge high rents, right? So I just want to find out. I just click on start training. I just want to train my algorithm machine learning tool based on the given data. These are the features like a property ID, address. So in Bengaluru, we urban developed, right? So I just want to predict the rental incomes in the next upcoming futures are like how much percentage. So I just given it 70% of training data, and based on this outcome at 30%. Yeah, see, I just use a regression model type, and training samples we have taken 100 and features used 5, and there is a absolute error 64 and mean squared 755 and 87. It's all about an R square 9, and this is the 67 64, right? So absolute mean. Let's go to final one. This is a representation of how our input samples are laid out. I just taken a random example of property one in a acrostic. This is a US based sample data. So postal code, it is size of 1200 square feet and 2 bedrooms. I just click the make a prediction. What is the rental income? Yeah, it is a 1700. So it is predicted that a rental income 1700. If I give property to same one, like, can anyone help me with 1400 square feet for 3 bedrooms? Maybe I wrong. I have 2 bedrooms only, so let's see. Oh, 3 bedrooms might be cost. And I mean, you can see, right? I just given the input data to my ML. So then it is trained some data and it is predicted rental income based on my inputs. So how we can train? This is a basic and simple machine learning tool, right, guys? And there are hundreds of tools and build on top of before these LLMs, right? So this is a simple ML tool. And let's go to our presentation. Oh, here it is. Let me stop and share you again. Sorry, guys. Okay, okay. Automatically, once you go back, it will. Okay, demo. Okay, I'll just leave it about that. X. This is right. So for better convenience, I just going with this one, guys. So it will automatically closing our files. So this is computer vision services in Azure. So we have one more demo related to this one. So I will directly jump into demo. This is a vision based and face based. If you see, I have a computer vision related services to a person walking in the street. So my system will automatically predict he's a person. The person to have is a male, maybe 34 years of age old, and he is wearing jeans and footwears, like how it is predicting based on our training. So this all under coming under computer vision services in Azure. Let's go to information extractor. I think it is already open here. So information, yeah, this is the information extractor. You can browse and add anything. I have already example, right? I just run an analysis. Say I have a invoice here. If you see this invoice have a company name and address, the phone number, receipt, date and time, some lines of particulars and total and subtotal. I have already run this analysis and sample. The fields will you show you, right? Based on the patterns of based expectation, it will show you. Then I just want to find out the results. We'll see what is the result. See, it is automatically extracted the information in a normal format and readable. So like behind the invoicing processing AI automation, this is the best example of information extractor models using by AI. So AI will take that fields like a structure the fields before that produce any results, it will automatically treat like this. So you can see, right, this is the exact fields. And let's go to computer and vision is nothing but you can correlate with our CC cameras, and face detection is nothing but our phone unlock feature. So automatically once you open your phone and unlock your based on your face, because you have already given inputs, though it will unlock your phone. And same thing we have detecting face with the surveillance cameras. So if you see there is a woman in a DMart store, just basing this information, I just predict that model to find out who is like a customer. Like a real example, the customers are coming, which shelf they are going, which shelves they're predicting the, like we can try to analyze. And one more is a OCR. This is the best example of our invoice processing. If you have written handwritten, if you write in Telugu or Kannada, Hindi, any AI model cannot be predict 100%, right? So those AI models are trained based on the data, which is a global level. So for that one, we have Savagin AI related some other tool. I will let you know in the end of the session. So this is the OCR. It is reading text for optimal characteristics. Then next one is natural language process, or nothing but a NPA, NLP. So this is NLP that AI can understand and generate a human language like a text or speech. It's have common features. If you see, language detection, sentiment, like a positive or negative, key faces extraction. So you need to give a processing data, a raw text. So any text you can give a model, it automatically give a tokenization of each word. Say, let's say a sentence like a boat cancel at angle. So each sentence a word it will tokenize like a 1 2 3 and n number of. So this tokenization training our language model, when you conversation AI will go and ask you right any question, it will tokens based on the numbers pattern, it will automatically retrieve the data. Same as text analysis, opinion mining and mission translation and any summarization also. Behind all this there is a NLP process to find out the raw text which is given. Let's go back to our so this is a chart playground. This is a conversational AI. I have already given a input like a text file, AI text. Can you tell me about this file? It's nothing but a same like a chat GPT. It will automatically retrieve the information based on your input data. So let's see how it will give. So if you see there is a model behind this, we are using CPU. CPU nothing but a computer based one. So we don't have any GPU model. So if I take GPU Pi 3, it will very fast and very quick compared to CPU models. See, it is taken too much time, right? Base if you go with and try with Pi 3 mini model developed by Microsoft based on the GPUs. Anyone know about that NVIDIA GPUs? All this AI behind is a GPU which is built by NVIDIA. So this AI chart conversation will give you a summarization of text, what is your given input. So then you can chart with this input data and you can understand. And same thing, we have chart conversation. Can you tell me about AI 900 like that? So it will listen you. So it will give you the output. Might be it will taking time due to our CPU limit. Let's hope. I think it's taking time. Okay, leave it. Not even bother. It is. And we have one more is a text analyzer. So I have given a text and I want to find out a analyze of it sentiment. You have number of emails, find out input of text. I just want to try this. It will giving a negative score. Why negative? Okay, might be the this model can understand that a negative statement I have given, and it will find out the key phases extraction. So all this come under AI 900 certification related examples. Each key extraction will get you 1 or 2 questions might be. So this is the details of how we can use. They will ask in real time. How key phases like India AI Summit, Narendra Modi started, and it is happening in New Delhi. And I want to extract some names. We'll see. Yeah, people non-elected places, India, New Delhi. I want to summarize a text based on my input. It will give a summarization and it will tell you simple words. There originally is a 75 words and summary of 31 words. You can see it is compressed to 58%. This is a text analyzer. Uh, so behind this LLM also there is a text analyzer related ALMs to analyze and find out a massive data. So we are just running on CPU, right? So it will I have given simple one, and this is also Python book. Once you write any Python related codes, it will automatically give you output. And second one is a chart with Andrew. So you can give a try once you open any chart board related. So it will show you like encounter. Okay, I think we need to refresh this one. It will take time to load. This is a chartboard. You can go on Microsoft Learn page, anything you open AI related certification. It will give a summarize text behind all this. This is a Microsoft chartboard. This is It is taking time. Okay. Okay, now it is started. Let me close this. We don't require this one. Same as Andrew also. And this is the Microsoft Foundry tool. Foundry is nothing but a Microsoft commercialized tool. So you can find everything. If you see, this is the welcome of just a page where you can find all the models related to the current Foundry. So you just sign up to this Foundry. So it will show you like this welcome student and all the projects. You can start any AI project related and based on your so this is Microsoft Azure interface. So you just want to start a one project, 1 2 3 resources, and you need to train this data like a resource visualizer, how it will trick based on what is the model you have selected. And if you go and select a model, and you can build apps based on all this. So one more is, yeah, see, this is the feature models currently Claude Opus 4.5, but we have 4.6 also. Last week it is introduced, and but all this model you can find in Foundry. This is Microsoft Marketplace, you can say. So you can find all this model and try to build any app without if you are a Python developer, Java developer, doesn't matter. You can just go and plug into these models, and you can try to build and drag and drop related tools of find out in. And one more is deep stake. Let's go to our presentation. Yeah, I just show you that example, right? What is that example related under Azure AI document intelligence? So we have given that invoice, right? If you go and see that our current bills also same pattern. So we can extract the information based on our like document analysis and pre-built models, and you can try a custom models. Like, and you can create own your custom models using this AI. And this is the Azure AI chatbot. I just show you that Andrew one, right? So that is the best example of a chatbot. It will give you information when you give any input, like simple FAQ chatbot. Like if you went to a customer care service or a website, it will pop up one bot, right? So that is the Azure chatbot. So then follow what? Yeah, this is the main one, agentic AI and Gen AI. So like any Gen AI, there is a language model behind it, like a ChatGPT 5.1, 5.2, or Claude, Opus, any LLM models behind this ChatGPT or else a Gen AI. So it will take a generate a image. So if I just mentioned, right, if you go on ChatGPT, type or ask any information, before that it will have a flow of structure when it is generate a image. So automatically when you write a cover letter, a job application like this, behind this it will automatically ask you like a image generation. It will automatically predict, right? Behind this all there is a written Python code. Like, see, if you see, this is a Python code behind this output. And high level of overview of LLM is like a training of text data. If you give a input prompt, so based on that input prompts, you can AI models will treat like as a simple example. I have a dog, cat, and puppy and skateboard. So model will take this input as a model. So it will give you, I just mentioned, right? If you once given that image dog related, it will give take as a 10 3 2 numbers. So cat will be a 10 3 1. So I just given a dog images. So I just want to find out which is a dog. This is a image, is a dog or not, like that. So it will categorize based on the model behind this. So if you see this diagram, so dog have 4 legs. Based on that model have given a behind the number tokenization. 10.1032 is a dog, 10.31 is a cat, like it have 2 legs, might be a dog. So and puppy 5.2, it very close near to, but skateboard, if you see this is a very long, it is given -32, it will stand out from the those images. So how it will give you the information based on these all numbers. So within the seconds, a fraction of seconds, it will automatically give the information. If you see this followed by tokenization anything, example like I heard a dog break loudly at a cat. So this is the best example, like I as a one, so it will take each word as a token 1 to 8, then it will form a sentence in 1 to 8. Every ask in a chat GPT or anything behind this, there is a tokenization. The simple like it will take 1 to 3 numbers. Machines cannot take that text, right? It have store a binary values tokenization. So then, if you ask anything similar to I heard a cat, the next word you is may ask I heard a cat. So it will tokenize 1 2 3 8. Then followed the same example. So this is the best example, right? I just mentioned. So it will embedding. Embedding is a one more beautiful concept of AI behind this. So embedding based on the how I just mentioned, right? So 10 3 2 as the embedding based on the tokenization numbers. So cat have given 10 3 1 embedding, and puppy and the followed by skateboard. So based on these embedding numbers, it will give you the output. And last one is attention. It is a core capture the strength of relationship between tokens and attention technique. So if you ask a goal like it is a dog or not, if you have given image, it is mentioned you have asked that it is a dog or not. So the goal is a dog. Then it is a represent. I heard a dog. So it is go to the as a vector like we have already given 1 to 8 numbers, right? So 1 to 8 numbers, it will automatically vector those and assign based on the dog weight information 10 to 10 3 2. So then system will give you output of dog images based on these embedding numbers. I just this is the language models behind this Azure OpenAI and model catalog. I just show you that Azure AI Studio, right? Foundry. So you can found out all the Microsoft related and other company related models, and you can play and plug. And there is a Dolly E model for image generation that is also good. You can try and find out the Dolly models. Let's go to this. And before that, I just want to give a brief what is LLM. Like LLMs are small language models, SLMs. We can distinguish simply a ChatGPT latest version is a LLM, and I just show you that CPU GPU, right? So there is a Microsoft Pi. So behind that examples demos, based on that Microsoft Pi to a small LLM work with CPU. These are the long LLMs. LLMs are work with GPU. And simple, we have Copilots, right? So Copilot is a AI generated assistant. So it is Microsoft developed. So now you can open any Microsoft. Before 5 to 10 years back, you don't have any Copilots or anything. Now Copilot will do everything for you, right? So you can summarize your meeting notes. It will give you the task, it will schedule the meetings, it will summarize the lengthy documents, it will find out you information where is available in your company, like that. So co-pilots are nothing but the agents which is developed by OpenAI collaborating with Microsoft. So Microsoft products are the co-pilots. It will extensively using in real time also we are fight using. And yeah, this is the examples where we can use Copilot like AI on the web and AI in the Microsoft 365 page. And you can even I created this PPT also, right? So let me show you this. Uh, okay, maybe somewhere it will show you this Copilot button. Might be I don't have. If you see, okay, leave it. So this is the picture of Copilot button. It will summarize you the PPT. So I have prepared same thing using that Copilot features, and how Copilot will work. We'll see in this next example. So Copilots also based on our embedding system, whatever mentioned, right? Each tokenization like that. So it start a specific goal, what you need to do. Just I want to summarize the my email. So if you just given that input, automatically it will take the LLM model behind that. So summarize the text information. So this is the prompt flow. If you give any prompt like a input to the model, consistency user inputs a system. Take an example. Initially, the prompt will go to the conversation history, and the flow will be executed to the AI logic, and the conversation history will show store that inputs. If you have chart history, then automatically it add a relevant data from a different data source. Like if you ask what is weather prediction, so automatically it will go to the weather website and call that API and get the information and retrieve to the based on input and give the output. So and it will store the same conversation, what is the current temperature in Hyderabad particular location. So based on that, if you go and come tomorrow and ask the same question, automatically it fetch and store based on the information, right? It will predict the Hyderabad weather and it give you information, and combine data and history, it will give the context and initialization prompts. And I suggest you to uh, do some prompting related, and the prompting will be a next upcoming deep things. So I just show you that Azure Microsoft Foundry, right? This is the Azure AI Studio. It's a PaaS platform for developer. You can use these Azure models to develop your own apps. And let's this is the apps we have tried, right? ML Lite and speech. Yeah, this is I just talk about the Indian AI startup related. The name is Sarvam AI. It is a made in India and in the Indian startup based on Bengaluru. It just beat the global tech related models. You can assume. So why? Can you anyone heard about this Sarvam AI? Sarvam Edge. It is Bengaluru based tech startup. So it just beat that. If you see, this is the model score. We have some benchmarks for each model. They will give you based on this specific set of tasks. This is the OLM OCR given the set of ChatGPT model GPT 5.2 given 60.9% out of 100, and same followed with and Gemini 80 and Claude Meta. But this is our Sarvam AI related model, which is outperformed 84.30. It's just beat all the tech gains for this uh, s- model, which is local for local, right? So if you see, have 22 languages in India, or else more than that, I think so. So it will take all these local models to train our uh, model. I mean, if you go type in Telugu, so automatically it will translate to Kannada, or else if you have any word, anything, it will automatically dub. Just go to the sarvamai.com and find out. Sarvam AI, Sarvam Edge is a latest tool they have released. This is work AI in the phone. You don't need to that NVIDIA chips or GPU. It will work without internet also in the phones. Like it a best model, we can try it, but it just they have launched it latestly. So just I will show you. Think I have already we already covered. Let's see. I just This is the Sarvam AI website. I think it is already went. Yeah, even I just show you that text to speech, right? So yesterday I just stuck up with one video, which is the IIT professor from Madras. They have sessions related to the best platform related. So it lively, it automatically translated. He have given the seminar in Tamil. So the students who are from Telugu or Kannada, they don't know Tamil, right? So this AI also will give you like audio books or anything you can give, right? So it automatically translate. Like it is a best tool. So before that, I just want to wrap it up quickly. Time permit. Sorry, Suparna. And any questions will take 2 or 5 minutes. Any questions, guys?
Yeah, so let me share the quiz link for this session.
Yeah.
Uh,
Go with Suparna.
Let me. No,
And
no. Please stop. Don't show this slide. Just put on.
yeah. I just
Team, please fill this session. I think Ajay is already shared. Thank you, Ajay. So please answer all of your questions from this session so that we will pick top 3 winners, and our team will reach out to you to provide the um, Clear My Interview AI tool from KSR Data Vision. We'll give you a 2 to 3 minutes of time.
and thank you, Suparna.